Here's a friendly counting problem. Maya makes snack bags every day at a welcome center. On Monday, she makes 14 bags. On Tuesday, she makes 19. On Wednesday, she makes 24. The pattern keeps going. How many bags will she make on Friday? Before I show you anything, pause the video and try it on your own. Here's a hint. Look at the numbers on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. How much do the numbers go up by each day? Pause now. I'll wait. Let's find Maya's daily step. Look at the numbers, 14, 19, and 24. How much do we ADD to get from one day to the next? Watch the hop. From 14 to 19, we add 5. From 19 to 24, we also add 5. Nice spotting. The pattern adds 5 bags each day. That's our step. Now we know the rule. Use the +5 step to figure out Thursday and then Friday. Give it a try. Wednesday has 24, so Thursday is 24 plus 5. That's 29. You predicted it, and Friday is 29 plus 5, which is 34. The whole week fills in beautifully. So on Friday, Maya makes 34 snack bags. That's our answer. And here's the lesson worth keeping. When numbers grow by the same amount every step, that's called an arithmetic pattern. The first thing to do is find the step, the daily change. Once you have the step, you can predict any day. Patterns make hard counting easy. Learn, compete, and win at competitivekids.org.